Next topic, textbook page number 289, chapter 13, same chapter. Remaining questions are completed in this video. Previously I am explained completing 12 chapters. Do this, try this, think, discuss sums, and 8th class also completed. Next uploaded this 9th class have 15 chapters. Now 13 is completed in this video. 14 and 15 also complete after I am started 10th class. So don't miss the videos. Previous video also saying, and computer some subject also have the videos. So that one also have anyone doubts in the C language, Q basic, that one also explain. So now go to the question. Try this question. Can you draw a triangle with the same measurement in the ultimate way? Okay. There's a hint also given here. So here given hint also. Take YXL 60 degrees by 2. So cancellation after got 30 degrees. And another one XML XYM 45 degrees. Cancellation after you have 22 1 by 2. Okay. That is the so now how much you taken here? 11 centimeters. Okay, here some instructions given. 22 by this means 11 centimeters. Take a scale and take 11 centimeters on here. Do you know this, how to take this one? You are studying this one. Okay, so 11 centimeters exactly I am taking. You are also take it 11 centimeters. Now draw it. 11 centimeters, what you draw it? A and AB, BC, CA. Okay, all draw it in XY 11 centimeters. See here. First draw the 11 centimeters on here. This after you take 11 centimeters on here. What is that? B to C. So here BC. Okay, this is 11 centimeters. See exactly. Okay, this after again A to B. So here A to B means here you can take 11 centimeters. See, B to C completed. We are given the names on here. Don't confuse this one. B and C. This after you can take XY means C. Here 11 centimeters, half of that. So total this one 22 centimeters we take. Okay, not this like sorry. We take 22 centimeters total. This like you can write. Okay. Okay, you are lucky. You have the 22 centimeters on here. Okay, total 22 centimeters on here. Exactly. Here based on that 11 centimeters you can exactly take this one. Exactly 11 centimeters you can take this one. Okay, up to here coming. Okay, now here B, here to start this, here form the X ma. Here form the X and here form the Y ma. Okay, here form the X and Y. See exactly. This after middle 11 centimeters you have. Total this 11 centimeters you have B and C. So here to and here you have the B and C. So middle of that you can take measured in that one 11 centimeters already you take it. There B. Only have B here to start it to here. B and C we have the 11 centimeters. So B where it is here to start 11 centimeters. So here B is there, here C is there. So X, Y, B and C. Now again you take this one A, B, B, C, C, A also. C to A. So C here you are also take it again 11 centimeters on here. Okay. This is formed here A. What is formed A? You can draw A to C. You can observe neatly and it's done very easily. Next A to C after you can X to Y also form a this one. X to A. Okay. Form this one. So that is the measured on here. So here all to here you can take one. Draw a line here. Okay. Draw a line here. X and this one. You can observe neatly. Okay. Next exactly you form here one triangle. Okay. Here to here and here to here. This after B to P. B to P. BP. Okay. Here form what is that? 45 degrees is there. Here form for here Y where it is yes Y there form a 45 degrees. Okay. There to start it you can draw a 11 centimeters in M. Okay. So first C to start you take 7 centimeters on R. Okay, form a R. That after R to C again. So again. Okay, you can form A to no. You can form a 45 degrees to form a one line. Okay, exactly. Here to 45 degrees to conform a another one. Here form here R. Okay, here to here you can take one line. Exactly. R to C you can form one line. This is called SR. After here 45 degrees take it here to here form one line. Okay, here to here exactly 2. So you can take here one line. That is formed to where it is 11 centimeters form in the middle of that 7. Here to form the one line A to. Okay. Okay. Okay, A to here. C. Exactly here to here. Okay. Next form the X to L. Total 22 again. X to L here form B to Q again. There where it is formed again you can or also here P also. So B to here Q to 7 I am taking exactly. It's very tough it is. Okay, here formed. Here you can take P. Okay, ma. P to X also. So here formed here P. You can draw neatly in the 11 centimeters for alt. Here to here form one line. Exactly measurements you take it. Okay. Next here to here how much 60 degrees. Okay. Here Q formed. Here Q formed. Okay. Now here one line is formed. here 60 degrees after here one line there is a form to A, that is called a 60 degrees here formed one line. Okay ma. Next R is completed, I is completed, this one here given to L, X to L, this one L. Okay, finish. P, L, A, all will come. Okay, so many mistake is there, you can understand. You can draw this, the instructions you can follow and draw this one. After you can write how to this one you can draw, you can write some steps here. You can steps you followed, again you can draw it neatly. First one you take draw what is that answer. XY is the 11 centimeters. You formed what is that, AB is there, BC is there, plus CA is there. All what is that ma? 11 centimeters. After construct angle YXP is equal to 30 degrees at XB by 2 is equal to 60 degrees by 2, that equal 30 degrees. Already inside this one. Okay, next construct angle XYQ is formed, that is 22 by 1/2 degrees at Y. What is that? C by 2 is equal to 45 degrees by 2. You can got 22 1/2, 22 by 1 by 2 is the degrees. This after what you understanding, XP bar and YQ meet where it is A. Okay, at A draw AB form such that angle XAB is formed how much? 30 degrees. Where B is a point on XY. Okay, draw AC. You can draw the AC such that angle YAC is equal to 22.5 degrees. Where it is AC, where C is the point, C is a point, C is a point on XY. So triangle ABC, what is that? Is required triangle. So their triangle formed. Already I said BC, middle you take it, after A they formed A. So answer is over. So these steps you can follow. You can draw again neatly. Okay. Next question. Next last question in this. You can draw what is that. How much you take it? Three centimeters. You can draw one line here. After again you take it one line here. You can form one triangle on here. Okay, you can form here one triangle like this. Okay, in this one you can draw one exactly. You can draw is like this. Formed here, what is formed? 90 degrees. Okay, now draw what you do. Okay, answer you can draw. Write the answer in the steps. Solution in the angle I am take it in the circle segment. circle segment is right. Okay, angle that is 90 degrees. Then the angle subtended by 8 at the center. Okay, so it is 2 into 90 degrees, that is called a 180 degrees formed. Thus the line segment becomes the diameter and circle. A diameter circle also is formed. Circle segment becomes the semicircle, that is looking like a semicircle. That is the reason. Okay, ma. Now I am given two questions for you. In this 13 chapter is over. Okay, 13 chapter is over. Now you given the exam questions. That is when answered you can comment section comment that. Simple questions I give now. See here, I am given conduct the exam in 20 marks. Each question 10 marks given. Why? Because it's some drawing type of chapter. That's why construct a triangle ABC with the measure. AB is the 5 centimeters. BC is the 4.2 centimeters. Okay, 4.2 centimeters. Okay, ma'am. So AC is equal to 6.5 centimeters, ma'am. So measure the angles, write the relationship between the sides and angles, ma'am. This is the figure. You can write what is understanding is the relations, what is the relationship is there. Next question, what do you understand from the given figure? In this figure, what you understanding, you can write the solution. Okay, ma'am. Where are these questions? I give the 20 marks for you. Normally I am given the 5 questions. 10th question, 10th chapter I give the 5 questions. 11th chapter I give the 3 questions only. 12th chapter I give the 5 questions again. Is the 13th chapter totally given to the drawing section. That's why I am given 2 only. One is the say what is the understanding in the figure. This is already explained this topic. And in the measures given after, what you measure given after what you understanding this measures, what you understanding was these very easy questions. You cannot understand, you can understand, you can what you understand the topic, you can give the answers in the comment section. And otherwise you can take the one pick solution complete after, take one pick and send me. Okay, thank you. Meet to next video. Next start at the 14th chapter. Total 9th class we have the 15 chapters. Continue in the 14th chapter in the next video. Don't miss the videos. Already I am explaining 8th only explain the try this think discussion and do this sums. Already 8th class over, 9th is completed after 2 chapters. Again I am started to 10th class also. So now 10th class is started. Any doubts you have, you send to comment section. Thank you very much. Meet to next video.